Hi guys, it's Johnny from Kampanic Games. Today I will show you how to install Unity. I have decided to make a complete brand new series of where I show you from start to finish how to install Unity, then how to understand C# and things like that, and then we'll make a game. So let's begin. Okay, now I already have my browser open. You go ahead and type Unity download, then you go over here, use the Unity download hub. Okay, and this you click this, okay, not this one. All right, then you download, and just like any other software, you install it. Then you go over here and you can check over here which installs you have. Unity have different versions, so you can check which versions you want. This is the latest one, and I'm using LTS 2020 because LTS means it's the long-term support, which means it's the most stable version of Unity that is available. That's what I'm doing. So I already went ahead and made a project, and we will just say learn to code. Okay, so that's how you install Unity. After you install Unity, it will download and all those things, and it will install Unity, and you'll get something like this. Okay, I have changed the hierarchy a little bit, so you can drag and drop over here and then drag and drop over here. So that's it. That's how you install down Unity, and I'll be back soon with introduction to the variables. So see you around. Take care.